The DOOGEE W1, running, jogging, heartbeat. You're looking for an exercise watch and more? Make phone calls, listen to music by hitting the remote on the watch for your earbuds. We're going to show you what this product is briefly about. This is the DOOGEE W1. It is a fitness watch with around 1.43 inch screen. What we're going to do is open up, demonstrate, and show you what the product is about. It is tightly sealed in a package as we remove the Anywise DOOGEE W1 in a nice box, a nice large display as we pull out with a rubber wrist strap. Comes in a number of colors. Do check online for further detail about the product. With the two accessory packages as we open up, we have a choices of band, a rubber gray, a leather-like material with green on the outside and black leather on the inside of fabrication. And opening up the last accessory package, we have the instruction guide how to use and the charging station. The charging dock, USB-A, with the gold connection 4 pins to charge your watch. Straightening out your cable over time will lay flat and straight. It is over 2 feet under 3-foot cable. Charges into a USB area with 4 knobs, plastic, lay on the table and charge your watch. Opening up the strap and placing the gold pins to the watch and charging for the first time. Please remember to peel off the film on the front and you have the watch charging with the circle showing. As we dim the lights to show, we need to set the watch up via smartphone application or smartwatch. When removing from the docking station, the watch will go into a language to choose. Press your language or retap the screen or turn the watch back on and hit English. Scan the application with your iOS or Droid smartphone. Please open up the DOOGEE Fit application and once signed in, set the watch up. Open up the application, choose your character, next, your height, your weight, your age, your month, your goal, and complete. Allow the unit for Bluetooth and follow the tutorial. Bind the smartwatch, DOOGEE Anywise W1, and connect. Paired, press connect, pair. Allow the information to be transferred, and we are open in the health. We have a sleep, day, week, month, calendar, sleep analysis. We have a heart rate where we need to put the watch on, and it shows our heart rate. Press on the heart rate, the range. Further down, it gives more information. Blood oxygen, pressure. These will go to the watch when set up. It gives a temperature of a negative 14 Celsius. We could change the Celsius to Fahrenheit by pressing on. It is 7 degrees. No outdoor activities. If we scroll further down, we have a mood. Today's mood. Back out. We can edit the card. If we press over here, we have a RG Get, a to-do list. It's called the Deep Seek. Make video. We have sports, outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor run, outdoor cycle, spinning, pool, open water swimming. This is a waterproof watch, and you have many, many more. If you want to add, just hit the add, and you can add anything imaginable to your activity list. We have a device. Hit the device. would send notifications. And I got notification on the watch, as you see. You could change the watch faces to many different types of faces and more. You have an SMS, an alarm, your phone, health monitoring, your app, all watch face, translate, address book, SOS contact, world clock, and more. As we set up the smartwatch, you can see the mood. I'm peaceful. You can see my blood, 96%, and my pressure, 38 normal, and my heart rate. And if I go to sleep, it'll show my sleep. It is a wake your hand and the watch will come on, as you can see. And it shows the exact time as it corrected through your Wi-Fi of the watch. We have a translate from one language to the other. Bonjour, comment ça va? And that is how you would use, and that is how you use your translation through the texting and not visual sound. We can light up, display the time, shake to take a picture, do not disturb, find the device. Those are the more settings of the watch. On the watches, we have buttons. If we press on the button, we have the face, information of our walking, and all the information on the windows. We have all the apps and so forth. It steps up, and we press on the bottom, it scrolls down. If we go to the opposite side, we go back to the main face and tap the screen to speak. Hey, Siri, what's the weather? Silence on and off, the percentage, the settings, charge watch face, set the language, display and brightness, vibration of the watch, a medium audio. We have a toggle effect, themes, password, time and date, do not disturb, favorites, and more. If we swipe back up to the main screen and swipe from the down, it gives us our alarms, our hours, and everything here we could control through there. If we swipe over to the opposite side, we have these bullets over here, our heart rate running and so forth. We swipe over, we have our heart rate and so forth. Sleep mode. Changing out the band is simply grabbing the little knob here and removing and placing in the new one. When correctly done, it will hold on, and you have the choice of your bands. We're changing our face to a future. It takes a couple of seconds to transfer over. Now we have a watch, a future look. As we walk with the watch, we are doing a exercise. It'll tell our time, how much we walk, GPS, heart rate, oxygen, and more. So if you want to run, you could tell your time by looking. Enjoy your smartwatch, your exercise watch, and thank you for viewing.